Hello everyone, and you are welcome back to my channel. On today's recipe, we are making Nigerian egg roll. In here, I have all-purpose flour, 5 eggs, milk, butter, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Now, I start by adding my milk. I add baking powder. I add sugar, salt according to your taste. I mix together to combine. Now that all the dry ingredients are mixed thoroughly, I'm going to add my butter. Then I mix. After mixing thoroughly, then I'm going to add water. You can add more if the water is not enough. Mix together to form a dough. Then after that, cover like 10 minutes and allow your dough to rest. Now, after 10 minutes, here is what I have. So I'm going to add flour to my working surface here. Then I rub flour on my palm too, to avoid the dough sticking onto my palm. So I start by bringing out the dough and flatten it on my palm. Like this. Flatten it and dip a hole in it like this. Then you add your egg and start covering it up this way. Cover it up like this. Then you roll it like a ball. Here is what I have. Then you put it here. I think I covered this one. Then another one. Flatten it. Create a hole where you are going to add your egg. Start to cover it up. Then you roll it properly. Then place it beside the one we have done before. Then another one. Let me roll another one again. Flatten it this way. Dip your hand inside it. Then you place your egg on it and start to use the dough to cover the egg up. Now it's time for frying, and I take little dough to test my oil. Now it's okay. It's not too hot and it's not cold. Then I place my egg roll. Now in making egg roll, you have to take note of some things. You don't allow your oil to be too hot. Hence, your egg roll will be burning and it will not cook thoroughly inside. And if the oil is not enough hot enough, then your egg roll will soak of cooking oil. So try to avoid that. Now it's time to turn our egg roll over. As you can see, beginning to cook properly. Now our egg roll is ready. Then here I have a plate where I put my parchment paper to drain the excess oil. Now, if you are one of my subscriber, thank you so much. And if you are just passing by, ensure to subscribe before you go. Turn on your like button, share and comment. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.